When your Huawei Watch GT5 Pro goes silent, it's time to bring the tech back to life. First things first, let's charge that watch. Use the original charging cable and cradle. Make sure the connections are clean and properly aligned. Give it at least 30 minutes of charging time. Still nothing? Time for a force restart. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds. Keep an eye out for any signs of life like vibrations or the Huawei logo. Next, check for physical or water damage. If there's any moisture, dry it out completely. Clean around the buttons and charging contacts to remove any debris. Still no luck? It's time to call in the pros. Contact Huawei support or visit an authorized service center for a professional evaluation. There you have it. Troubleshooting your Huawei Watch GT5 Pro made easy. Got any more tech troubles? Hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes.